Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I hope you can see me all right. I'm trying out a new look. We'll see if I like it. First, I want to say thank you to everyone who sent their prayers in and condolences for Uncle Mike. He's feeling much better. He's at home now. I'm just overwhelmed with the outpouring of prayers and caring. Carrie Berry, Fragile Flower, so many others. Joe, thank you so much. I appreciate everybody who wished us well. I'm going to give you shout outs, don't worry. Okay? Now, what we're going to do today on the pantry is this. We're going to take these store bought soups that I get from the pantry, and I'm going to turn them into a gourmet soup that you get at those fancy restaurants. Have you had the cream of chicken and rice? The lemon cream of chicken and rice. Oh, so good, right? Well, that's what we're going to do today. Okay? I've got a can of cream of chicken, and I got a can of chicken with rice. Both heart healthy, less sodium. I'm going to use these. Now, I've also got some parsley. I've got some sodium-free chicken stock, bouillon, okay? I've got some sodium-free lemon pepper. I've also got some sodium-free, salt-free spices, which also have some lemon seasoning in them. I got some garlic powder. I've got 1/4 cup of flour, and I might not even use all of that. The flour is to thicken the soup up a little bit. I've also got some half and half. You can use full cream or you can use milk, but I wanted to go a little fancier, okay? I've also got my wonderful utensils here. Now, with that, I want to start. Oh, wait. I don't want to do it yet. I've got 4 tablespoons of butter. I've melted down in the pot. That's to start it out, okay? To this, I'm going to add my chicken bouillon. I know you're going to think, why is he doing that? Well, I'm flavoring the butter. I'm also going to add my lemon pepper seasoning. Okay? Why are you doing this now? You're mixing this all together in this butter here to flavor it. It also brings the spices alive, okay? Makes them aromatic. Like people on the bus. No, I'm just kidding. No. Like fresh herbs in the summertime when you're walking through the garden and you step on maybe some mint or you brush by some sage. Oh, and it's wonderful. Oh, yes, already. These things are coming together. Now, how much did I put in? I put in about a tablespoon. Excuse me. I put in a teaspoon each of those seasonings because I'm only doing 2 cans of soup. If I was doing 4 cans to make a large amount, I'd put in a tablespoon. Now, I'm eyeballing it, but you measure it because I've been doing this a long time. We're going to put in our parsley. I'm putting in about a teaspoon of that. All right. Now we're going to put in half, you hear me now? Half a teaspoon of garlic. Okay? There's a little bit of this, and this dish goes a long way. Now, I'm going to put in another teaspoon of some salt-free seasoning, which has a little lemon in it, and yet another. Now that I've done that, I'm going to mix these all together and let them meld. So you got to marry your flavors together. They got to mix. They always got to work together. You don't want the flavors fighting against each other. Okay? Now see, the seasonings are reconstituting in the pot, coming back together. Just like that. Now, I am going to bring the heat up just a little bit. First you start your heat out on low to melt your butter. You don't want to brown it. Just want to melt it down. Get it nice and warm. Then you put in your seasonings. Then you turn it up and let them cook a little bit more after you've mixed it together. Now I'm going to put in just getting these ready, y'all. My flour mixture. I've got this turned up. I'm gonna put in just enough that I feel will thicken the soup. Now I've got 1/4 cup here, but like I said, I may not use all of that. No, I'm gonna use all of that. I'm gonna need it. 1/4 cup of flour, and we're gonna mix it together right in here. Look at that. See that? Okay. I'm gonna give you all a better view in just one moment. Okay. I'm incorporating the flour into the butter mixture totally. Now see everybody how that's gotten like that, and that's cooked out all that flour flavor. I'm gonna put in the chicken with rice soup. And that's gonna form the base of our soup right there. Now I'm gonna save this can for a reason. I'm gonna show you why in just a minute. Mix your soup around. Let that heat up and thicken up, okay? See how it's getting thick like that? That's what the flour did. So you don't have no thin, watery soup because you don't want thin, watery soup. Now, I'm gonna open this can of the cream soup. We're gonna add our cream soup. Let that come out of there. Use your spatula. Remember, I told you these things are worth their weight in gold. This will get every bit of that soup out. These silicone spatulas, these are wonderful. Anybody got a silicone spatula out there you want me to promote? Let me know. All right. Oh, yes. Now, mix this all together. Mix it well. Right now it seems like a thick paste, but don't worry. Don't worry. That's what you want right now. Because, remember I told you to reserve that can? All right. Take the first can you have. Fill it with your cream, or your milk, or your half and half, like what I have. Pour that into your soup. All right. Let's stir it around. Get it all incorporated. Now look at that. Now doesn't that look like those soups you get in a restaurant? Hold on. Now let this cook a little bit. Not on high heat. You don't want it to boil. You want it to simmer. All right? We're going to let this simmer for a minute. And then I'm going to taste it and decide if I want more lemon seasoning in it or not. All right. Now you don't look. I did not add no salt. Don't you sneak no salt in here. All right. How's everybody doing out there? Oh, it is the weekend. What are your plans for the weekend? Let me know. My plans are, I'm going to get Uncle Mike some of this soup because he requested it. This is his favorite. So, I'm going to get him some because I figured he was in the hospital. Why not? All right. Let me go get a spoon and taste this. Ooh, I'm going to dish this up. Oh, yes. Make me a good old sandwich, as they used to say back down south. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Crush me up some crackers over top. Oh, yes. And let's see. Let's put a little parsley just for decoration. Look at that. Look at that. Now, who wants to have the first bite? Come on. I am definitely going to enjoy this tonight. I love a good soup. I really do. And this is a winner. All right. I am going to finish my dinner. And I just want to say thank you, everybody. I really appreciate what you did for me in the prayers. Now, I have a food haul coming up. It's also delivery. Now, this person does not want to be on camera, and I'm throwing a shout out to her. She needs some food, and I'm going to make sure she gets it. That's going to be next week, okay? Let me know what you guys want. I want you to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me what you think. If you want longer videos, shorter videos, let me know. A peek into my world, which I am going to do, because you get to see some things about Chicago, and the kitchen renovation is coming up. Finally. Also, my surprise package going out to Mama Bird. City Girl, thank you so much. You are such a wonderful person. I got something special for you, okay? All right, nieces and nephews, hit that subscribe button. Smash it. We need 5,000 subscribers, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Now, that's it.